Look, we're
in this.
Welcome back to part 2 of my Grandstand Milsim series. We have now dropped back into the Alpha buildings and we are preparing to assault Alpha 5.
They're in there. That's the red door where we went to go in.
Yeah, watch that.
Gab's up front.
Wait. We're in position. Marshall coming out! Marshall coming out! You're right, lad.
Breach that room, breach that room.
You've seen a bloke in a white dish stack?
Get in that fucking room! Get on that comms.
After breaching Alpha 5, the enemy are respawning in on a vehicle and start advancing to take these buildings back.
I told them on the right to push out, but whether they're doing it, I don't know.
Medic! 5-1 medic!
Someone get comms for the medic. Gabs, we need a medic up front. Why are you two here?
What do you mean?
I said go right. They're pushing that way down the buildings.
I didn't get on the comms, so what? Well, go back out and go right.
Yeah, start pushing up that road, makes it on there. We're now stuck in this doorway compared to there. Mark, go with him and take the blokes outside, and if you see Matt, get the medic up here. Just chuck it. Aim a bit higher though. Smoke. Oh shit.
After being taken out, we lose control of the buildings. Zero Alpha then organises a full task force assault to try and retake Baga sola.
Sam, that side.
Medic!
Medic on my position now.
The assault goes to shit pretty quick, so I'll run back and get the Dutch to give us an assist on the left hand side.
By players on the berm on the top.
Wacht!
Take your lads left.
Yeah, but we have to go to blue, so...
Yeah, go that way, but there's enemies there, so be aware.
Right. Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, but...
We'll just move from the top so that they don't spot us, and then we move around.
Yeah, we're stuck.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, go on boys, get in there.
Huh?
We have Dutch coming round our left hand side for support now, over. Hey, there's assault in the buildings. So we need to start pushing that way to try and take the pressure off.
Yeah. We'll go round.
Right, I think
they're already there.
Straight in here, get on one of these buildings.
You go in, follow the proven route, which they've just proven. Get up to the flat and then move off from there. So follow where they've gone.
We need our unit to follow us though, mate.
Let's do that.
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Gabs, is it good up to then? Dutch are on your left, so be aware.
What's that building?
We've just breached it. Hey!
Go across.
They're going that way there.
Go. How was the horse?
Eugene, on me! Let's go!
Well, get around that building square.
Eugene, we're gonna go left and take this build, like the left hand side of this building while he's pushed through.
Yeah, roger that. Okay. They have a car.
Yeah, they have a hard.
Okay, let's do it then. We're gonna push down. We're gonna go into
technical.
Push down now.
We're gonna go left and push because these are breaching this room. And it's gonna just be a clusterfuck. We try it.
Pull him out, pull him out.
Matt! Medic! Medic!
Yeah. Moving.
Smoke!
Who's got smoke?
Mate.
Smoke.
Right into the doorway.
Closest to you.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry
He's got one. He's got one. Let's go. Well done. Weapon on you.
Oh, it's fucking rolled. Hold on. Throw it this side because mine went that way.
Yeah. Where are they?
In the doorway. Try and get it to as right as you can.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Eugene.
Yeah.
I've laced him up, you can go.
Right, boys. Right. Sam's saying he's got him. We can go.
Straight ahead.
Moving.
Dicker! Gabs, me and you up this hill. Get a position. Gabs, that room's clear. Someone push left! Someone push left!
The guy on the motorbike is a dicker. He radios positions and numbers to the enemy team. We cannot shoot him unless he engages us or he has 2 feet on the ground.
We've got a drone!
As you can see, you constantly have to be aware of the dicker's position, because he'll wait for you to be distracted, then he'll engage you.
Dicker! Ah! Enemy! 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 Corner building! Hey! Keep him pinned, boys.
As the enemy started pushing out the buildings, I then dropped back to assist my team. The whole of 5-1 then get fragged on the corner, and I am now the only guy left out of the task force. Stay tuned for part 3, where I'll talk about what happened during the night.